Guitar strumming, radio buzzing, the hum of the ride. Scanning all the channels, wide open nationwide, so wide. Saw the sun setting, painted skies of red, bright red. Heard a funny sound, thought it was in my head. Looked at my CB, heard a voice not known. Trucker, do you copy in a friendly drone? Hitting the road, hauling loads across the states, dodging way stations and them heavy fines. Talking on my CB, picking up some chatter. Heard a space voice saying, "Hey there, trucker, what's the matter?" Stop. Aliens on the airwaves, cruising through the sky. Oh my. Big rig trucker with wide open eyes. Surprise. Pulled off at a diner, pie and coffee strong. Real strong. Saw a flash of light, thought something was wrong. So wrong. Stepping out my truck, looking up to the stars. Bright stars. There they were, in a UFO parked by the cars. Bizarre. Aliens on the airwaves, cruising through the sky. Oh my. Big rig trucker with wide open eyes. Surprise. They floated down with their helmets all aglow. So bright. Asked me for directions, guessing which way to go. Left or right. I couldn't help but laugh. Showed them on my map real fast. Told them about the highways and where to find some gas. Aliens were grateful, offered me a gift. Cool gift. A little Martian gizmo with a galactic twist. Headed back on the road, laughing all the while. Big grin. With my new gizmo, made the miles feel mild. So every my truck stop had a story to share. About the time I met Martians, lighting up the air. Their spaceship zoomed, leaving trails of blue. Deep blue. Kept that little gizmo as my good luck too. Brand new. Over hills and valleys, that story's still the same as ever. Folks asking me about that out of this world game, with laughs and nods. I spill the tale again every time about those cosmic friends I met while hauling in my kin. Day and night. Aliens on the airwaves, cruising through the sky. Oh my. Big rig trucker with wide